for such a long journey, the last minute hurdles is also part of the journey, and it is totally inevitable. I was in a hurry, running some errands and grabbing some stuff and buying things to quickly finish packing my bag. And I had a checklist with some stuff on it, so I had to buy things as per the checklist and to organize stuff. I'm almost at the finishing stages of packing. So primarily, my stuff include some of my essential stuff, including my clothes and my personal care, and the electronic gadgets and the associated gears, and the power strips and chargers. Then I have some mechanical backup considering the car, including my mini mechanical toolbox, then my jack stands, extra few cans of wiper washer fluid. For such a long journey, especially when the weather is highly unpredictable, I think I should take some extra caution when considering the weather. So my weather backup plan include an extra blanket, then my winter boots, my winter gloves, then a pair of warm gloves, an extra pair of gloves with touch sensitivity, which I always keep in my glove box. It's nothing special about it. Then my beanie cap and all this stuff along with my winter jacket, which is inevitable. Since I'm driving in the snow, I have some precautions, a pair of traction boards and a mini shovel just in case if I get stuck somewhere in the snow, or I can escape from a mild stuck using these things. But if it's a hardcore thing, then I'm totally screwed up. Nothing works. Let's see. Then I'd like to keep a bag of bread, maybe Nutella and a bottle of jam and some banana as a quick snack or a quick energy release, because I don't want to get drained out in the extreme weather in the middle of nowhere. So maybe I think it's safe to carry some quick snacks along for the drive. I do have a little can and some bags for the trash, because I don't want to make a mess around in the car when I have a quick snack or a quick coffee. Because I think it's better to keep it that way, because it's easier to collect all the garbage and dump it somewhere. So so these are the quick errands that I made, and I'm keeping with me for the journey. So much excited for the journey starting tomorrow. When traveling through Northern Ontario, my plan is to go to Timmins first, because there are two ways of crossing Thunder Bay and crossing to Manitoba. One is through Sudbury, Sault Ste. Marie, and then to Thunder Bay. The second one is to North Bay, then to Cochrane and Nijipon, and then to Thunder Bay. So the first route is through the Highway 17, and the second one is through Highway 11. So I checked the news, and I was seeing some kind of road closures and some discrepancies in either of the highways. So the weather seems to be highly unpredictable in Northern Ontario. So my plan is to take a city in between and stay there and see how the weather goes, so that I can just switch my routes conveniently to either one of the highways. So my plan is to reach Timmins by tomorrow evening. So I'm going to start my drive tomorrow morning, and planning to drive and reach Timmins by the end of tomorrow. So all right, see you on the road.